In this video I will tell you how to make a result card in Excel. So first of all the subject marks are given, like in the bio 10 marks are given, chemistry of 10 marks. So we will write here of 10 marks and make it color. So all of 10 marks of various subjects are given here. So we will sum the total of 10 marks. Press is equal to sum bracket start first row plus shift and last row bracket close. This is a sum. And what is obtain marks? To obtain marks is actually the total number of subjects and total marks of each subject. In each subject there are 30 marks and there are six subjects, 1 2 3 4 5 6 subjects, total mark. And now in average section we will make the average of total marks. Press is equal to, now divide obtain marks by total marks, and this is the in decimal places. So we'll click on this percent marks, it will showing us in a percentage. So this is the result card, how to make a simple result card in Excel. Thank you viewers for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.